Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning personal pronouns in Hebrew. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. Our first pronoun is I, ani in Hebrew. Ani. The word ani will be used whether you're a female or a male. Let's use it in a sentence. To say, I love to read books. As a male, say, אני אוהב לקרוא ספרים. I אוהב, love, לקרוא, to read, ספרים, books. And now we will use אני in a sentence as a female. I like to eat strawberries. אני אוהבת לאכול תותים. I אוהבת, love, לאכול, to eat, תותים, strawberries. Except for first body pronouns, all other pronouns are divided into males and females. Our next pronoun is אתה. אתה, which means you, masculine singular. Let's use it in a sentence. To say, are you coming? Say, אתה בא. אתה, you, masculine singular. בא, coming. Our next pronoun is at. At. This is the feminine singular of you. Now we'll use it in a sentence. To ask, do you want to come with me? Ask, את רוצה לבוא איתי? את, you, feminine singular, רוצה, want, לבוא, to come, איתי, with me. Our next pronoun is he. In Hebrew, hu. Hu. We'll use it in a sentence. To say, he is studying. Say, הוא לומד. הוא, he, לומד, is studying. Our next pronoun is she. He in Hebrew. I know that it's a bit confusing because it's exactly the opposite of what it means in English, but it's also a good way to remember it. She means he. Now let's try it in a sentence. To say, she is visiting friends. Say, היא מבקרת חברים. she, מבקרת is visiting חברים, friends. Our next pronoun is we. אנחנו. אנחנו. And it will be used for both females and males. Let's use it in a sentence for a male group. To say, we are eating ice cream. Say, אנחנו אוכלים גלידה. אנחנו, we, male, plural, אוכלים, are eating, גלידה, ice cream. And now we'll use it for a female group. אנחנו אוכלות עוגה. אנחנו, we, plural, female, אוכלות, are eating, עוגה, cake. Our next pronoun is אתם. אתם. That would be you, masculine plural. Let's use it in a sentence. To say, can you help? Say, אתם יכולים לעזור? אתם, you, masculine plural, יכולים, can, לעזור, to help. Our next pronoun is אתן, אתן, which is the noun used for you, feminine plural. Let's use it in a sentence. To say, you can go. Say, אתן יכולות ללכת. אתן, you, feminine plural, יכולות, can, ללכת, to go. Our next pronoun is הם, הם, which is the masculine version of they. Let's use it in a sentence. To say, they are sitting in a park. Say, הם יושבים בפארק. הם, they, masculine, יושבים, are sitting, בפארק, in the park. Our next pronoun is הן, הן, which is the feminine version of they. Let's use it in a sentence. To say, they are laughing. Say, הן צוחקות. הן, they, feminine, צוחקות, are laughing. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.